What's going on, you guys? It's your boy, Cool with Cool Kicks. We are here for another video. We're here at the East LA Nike outlet. Hoping to find some deals. We'll see what happens, you guys. Look, you guys, look at how big this place is. I don't know if you guys have ever seen. Well, I think I've only done one video here, but this is really big. A lot of apparel. See what we find, you guys. Oh, forgot to mention 20% off the hash wall. See what heat we can find. Is that a reminder of the 20%? Alright, so we are in the size 10s. This is pretty much my size 10s. Size 10, let's see how big the sections are. Size 10 goes from right there to, looks like right there. So right there to right there. So not super huge. But look, it looks like they got mostly Air Max, I guess. Got the 720s and for 130, 135. Got the Air Max Plus. What was that? What's for retail? I got no price on it. Let's see what else. Some more Air Max. Oh shit. Air Max 720s. 135, 134. These are the shoes that fell down. $60, you guys. $60, 20% off. That's $48. Not bad. Looks like the satin or something. I don't know. Yeah, it's pretty sick. These are super blue. I don't know if you can tell in the colors. But not bad. They've been having a whole lot of Vapor Max lately, but this is like one of the sickest colorways. Kind of reminds me of those. Was it the cactus? Well, I think those are called the cactus ones. The super limited one with the rope neck. It reminds me of that. Okay. This is what's up right here. This is the chlorophyll 3s. $100, $80 after. That's still a little too much. I'm just not digging the color. Not digging the color of these. They do have a few different pairs. This one looks like worn. A little crease right here. Maybe that's just the way they look. Crease up super easily, maybe? I don't know. Material is not too bad. Material isn't too bad. Not the greatest, but not bad. I got these reflective 8s. I swear every time I go to an outlet, they got one of the reflective 6, 7, 8s. Go for retail, still hitting retail. These are really sick, but they go for retail, man. Really sick Air Force Ones. I don't think they're the premium, but look, they're made out of denim. It's interesting. But they look super sick. I ain't paying retail, not even retail 20% off. I feel like these should be well under 100. Oh, this is size 9s. Yeah, the wrong section or something. From 33, all black. Guess they hidden for retail. I guess 20% off. Oh, this is a find right here. 10.5 retro 18s. Retro 18s going for $159. That. Look at that, man. This looks super clean. I'm just not a fan of the silhouette, but dang, super clean looking. Looks like it has been worn a little bit, but big deal. It's all suede. Suede is super soft. I don't think you can see the hairs moving, but super soft. Not bad. Hitting for $159, retails at $225, and you get 30% off on top, 20% on top of that. So that brings that down to what, 130 or something like that. Not bad. Yeah, we're gonna look at these a little closer. So this is the one. That's this Jordan thing, all metal. That's a magnet that holds that together. Got little metal holders right there for the laces. Not bad. I don't think it's my style though, guys. I don't think it's my style. And for these tender hats, are these going for retail? Retail 20% off. It's a pretty cool colorway. Pretty loud. But not bad. I don't know if you guys saw this. I don't know if you guys saw this one. Look at this. Not bad. But I feel like these just came out. These just literally came out. Okay, so look. Got these Pegasus. 85 for those who like running. But I feel like I paid less. I feel like I paid less for these. But not bad. Still not bad. Pro Tros. Oh, nice. I'm not a fan of the colorway, but it looks nice. Size 11s right now. So I got some of these. 270s. Getting retail though. I don't know why you wouldn't just get this instead. Looks way better. Same comfort. 130, 20% off. PG3s. Not bad. Go for retail 20% off. Oh, they got these chlorophylls everywhere. I think they just put these on the hash wall. They got a lot of sizes, so I think they just put these on the hash wall. I was talking to one of the workers. They said if they don't get a full-size run in the aisles, they don't have a full-size run, they just throw them on the hash wall. I just talked to my man who just cleared that out right there. So it's nice learning about the process every time I come. I'm size 11 and a half. Look at this. $65 and 20% off. Oh, the red tag means it's on clearance. It's on clearance, extra clearance. But yeah, look at that, man. Kobe ADs. Not the greatest shoe, but for that price, 20% off on top of that. So $13 off, $13 off. So it's what, 50 $52 off. Damn, that's legit. $52, not bad. I saw these in another size, man. The other size was what, 99, but now this is 74. It's a big difference. And we're in the size 8.5. Look at this. NASA's, man. Still got the tags. Still got the tags. 661. Removed before flight. Still got that. Not bad. Going for retail, 20% off. My favorite shoe that I've seen. I do got a pair of these. $100. Look at this. 9.5. $100. Not bad. LeBron 14 mag colorway. Not bad. That's legit. Look at this. What's this? 200? Is that retail? 200? I can't retail. This is size 6. The Gayu Kasus, I don't know. Whatever they're called. Should be able to say it. I'm Asian, so you would think I could get the Asian languages a little bit better, but no, not really. Pegasus. Oh, this is a Pegasus Turbo. Holy shit, look at that. Zoom X, Pegasus Turbo guy costumes or whatever. Not bad. $200, 20% off at least. They got all kinds of cleats. All kinds of cleats. You know, $24, $29, $39. Always got these elements now. I'm not even gonna go over them anymore, but they're down to $69, $79. That's good. They always got the most, man. They always got more SBs than any other outlet that I've ever been to. But they're all the Janowskis, which I don't know. I'm kind of whatever about. So I got a bunch, and we're from 60, 69 to 49. It looks like. All right, I think I'm closer to the speaker, so the music's getting kind of loud. But yeah, let's kind of go with the Jordans. There's the fadeaway right there. They got the Hydro 6. They got the TE, Jordan TE2 low, lift off. The Jumpman Pro Click, 312 low, 312 high. Or that patent black or something. 312 high. It's like the patent black. More 312s. Still going 312s. Man, Outlet got a gang of these. Every outlet still got a bunch of them. Last one, full size one. And then they got, what is this? I don't know, some other generic Jumpman Hustle. Another generic shoe. they got the Mamba Rage and they got these other ones. Nothing special, you guys. Not that out. The more of the non-special running shoes, kind of Pegasus. They got some Pegasus down in there and stuff, but nothing special. I think this was the same price as that other outlet that I saw them at. $120 for the 2017. $129 for these, that 2017. Not bad. Vapor Max, slight discount. Not bad. $720 going for or $270 going for retail. Another pair of 270s. These are sick. I don't know what the. I like the colors. Different colors. The fact that this part's different. I've seen too many Cortez like this. It's interesting. $55, no additional discounts though. Damn, that's not bad. Look at that. 50% off. 50% off. Look at that. That's legit. I think it's the new price for these, man. $120 everywhere you go. Quality's not terrible. Not bad. But you can see. I think it's. I don't know if it's suede or nubuck, but look, you can see the hairs. It's not bad. Picked them up for $100. I picked these up for $100, so I did a little bit better. I think this is the new price for these too. So blurry. But yeah, $120 for those blurry shoes. $50, not bad. $80 for these. And the last Air Force One. You guys know these are Air Force Ones, right? I don't need to tell you guys. These are the Foamposite cups. So got a couple Kyries. This is the first one. These are the second pair. It says 130. It says 110. So this must have just made. They must have just lowered the price on these. I think these are the last shoes. The Buzz Lightyears. LeBron 16 Buzz Lightyears. I think it's the last shoe we're showing you guys. That's pretty cool. Pretty cool sign. There's a bunch of uplifting messages and stuff. And then look, they got all the high schools from East LA. Sacred Heart, I don't think Sacred Heart, is it? I don't know. But all the banners for all the East LA high schools, pretty cool. Got all kinds of graphic tees. 2 for $30, not bad. All kinds of graphic tees. It is back to school for you young bucks. So not bad. Look, just showing 25%. 65, so that goes down to what? $37. Not bad. Got Nike SB one right there. Got a bunch of bags right here. Oh, these are duffel bags or something, but not bad. Look at this. I've come here a bunch of times. Parked on the street every time. I didn't even know there's parking in the back. What the heck? Alright, they had a little something, you guys, but didn't end up copping nothing. But they had some heat. Yeah, that's some heat. Looks like the Jordan 3 chlorophylls. Looks like those bad boys are hitting the clearance aisle or the clearance section for $100. So that's a pretty good deal. But almost pulled it. I actually tried those on. I didn't put those on video, but not bad. But yeah, thanks for watching, you guys. Appreciate it. All right, we had to stop the video. I was filming, and then we almost entered the street. Yeah, that was stupid. But yeah, if you like these videos, you know, I'm always coming out with 2, 3, 4 videos a week. At least 3, actually. At least 3, 4 videos every week. Yeah, they're gonna keep coming. So subscribe, like, let me know. Let me know in the comment section if you like anything, if you don't like anything, if you want me to cover something else. Hit me up, you guys. Let me know. Thanks for watching.